Hold on. All right. So, trying something new. I didn't know. I mean, we use a lot of Lucas stuff around here because of, well, they're local, and we use a lot of the lubricants for racing. So, they have penetrating oil, which is great because this is a rusty pig. So, I am going to hit all these exhaust manifold bolts that are rustier than shit with the new Lucas penetrating lubricant. Burnsy likes using lubricant when he penetrates. Personal lube. I mean, I'm sure we're going to have to use a torch because these are hefty. Scotty, you're awful noisy when you give blowjobs.
I know, right?
Alright, so we're going to let that soak. Nick's going to get this off. And then we're going to figure out... I'm trying a video here! Thanks, Scotty. Anyway, so we're going to see how well this works. Because if it works half as good as our other products, it's going to be really good. Flambe, anyone? Yup. At least something penetrates around here.